Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you? I'm Jan Ahmed Abdul Sadiq and today we'll talk about maths. Last time as I told you that we will make 5 questions and we'll solve it together. And today in this video I prepare 5 questions to solve it together. So let us see the first question that says negative 3 over 4 divide bracket 0.5 plus 1 over 3 divide bracket negative 4 over 3. So now let us to finish the brackets that's inside the brackets. Okay, you can see here, yes, it will be negative 3 over 4 divide 1 over 2 because 0.5 is the same like in the fraction 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 divide negative bracket of course negative 4 over 3. So after that, you know by the board math, like first thing what you'll do by the division is the first. That means negative 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. You will make negative 3 over 4 times 2 over 1. That means cancel 2 by 4. It will be 2 and here it will be 1. Now what we have, negative 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 divide negative 4 over 3. Now here also we have divide. First thing we'll finish the division. What we will do here, 1 over 3 times 3 over 4. So we will cut 3 by 3, it will be 1. Then what we have now, we have negative 3 over 2. We have what here, plus, or you can, because we have positive and negative, and positive times negative is equal to negative. That means you will make here negative 1 over 4, or you can make it positive, do not be, yes. So here what we have, negative 3 over 2 plus bracket negative 1 over 4. After that it will be negative 3 over 2 negative 1 over 4. Here we times 2 by 2, so it will be negative 6 minus 1 over 4. That means negative and negative, it will be plus, so it will be negative 7. The last answer will be negative 7 over 4. This is the last answer, and if you do it now, you will get the same answer. So that was the first question. That means I can tick in the first question. The next question, that is to find x, the variable x. The question says that 1 bracket 1 minus x, close the bracket, negative bracket inside bracket 1 minus x, negative bracket 1, negative bracket 1, negative x, then close all the brackets that's open. So here this is the question, and first thing what we will do, that's like, I know there's so many brackets, but first thing, find the number that's inside brackets, that the brackets inside the brackets. That means here is a big bracket, and here also is bracket, and also here is a bracket. So first thing, we'll finish this bracket because it's have bracket inside. That means we'll finish this part first. Now what we do here, negative times 1, it will be negative 1, so it will be 1 negative 1 plus, because negative times negative it's positive, after that it will be 1 negative 1 minus 1 plus x, then the big bracket here is the same. Okay, so now continue the two brackets to solve it. Like here it will be the same. It will be 1 minus x negative 1 positive 1 negative x. So this is the big bracket that we solve it here. Now we have another bracket that's 1 negative x and negative here between the two brackets. That means it will be negative here bracket, or you can make it 1 minus x negative 1 positive x positive 1 positive negative 1, because negative is positive, it will be negative. Then it will be here positive x. Now you will collect the like terms, like 1 by 1 and x by x. Now we have 1, negative 1, positive 1, and negative 1. So negative by positive and negative by positive. Okay? Then what we have? Negative x, positive x, and positive x. We cut negative with the positive, and what we have only? X. So the answer for this question is x. So now we will take this question that also we solve it. Now the third question. The third question is says that if AB is equal to 4 ratio 7, if A ratio B is equal to 4 ratio 7 and B ratio C is equal to 49 ratio 24. Find A ratio C. Okay, now the ratio, we'll convert it like fraction. That means what we have A ratio B, we have 4 ratio 7. And B ratio C, we have 49 ratio 24. Yes? Now we want to find A and C. That means B with B will be cut. But to understand it more, it will be A over B is equal to B over C. That means 4 over 7 times 49 over 24. Now 49 by 7, it will be 7, here by 1, here by 7, here by 1, and here by 6. That means the answer it will be 7 over 6, or 7 ratio 6. That means A ratio 7, A ratio C is 7 ratio 6. This is the final answer. Okay? So that means the third question also done. Now the fourth question. The fourth question will make it like numerator and denominator, but by using the brackets. Like here the question says 3 bracket 12 plus 8 over 7 plus bracket negative 5. Now first thing, we'll finish the bracket like what we want. Like what we know, that first thing we'll finish the brackets. Like 3 times 12, or first thing, like inside the bracket, 12 plus 8, it will be 12 plus 8, here 10, 20, 3, and here 20, over 3 positive with negative, it will be negative 5 and 7. Now what we will do, it will be 3 times 20 is equal to 60 over 7 minus 5. That means it will be 2. Now in the multiplication of 2 times 30 is equal to 60. That means by 1, and here by 30. The final answer is 30. Okay, so that means the fourth question also done. Now the fifth question. It's talking about the cube root. To find the cube root of 216 minus 64. Now, like the cube of 216 minus the cube of 64. is equal to what? So now, to be easy, like we know that cube is a number that's a perfect cube. That's the number are multiplying itself 3 times. That means we will take the last number from these numbers. Like we will take the last number from 6. That means we make 6 times 6 times 6 and 4 times 4 times 4. If it's after multiplication, after multiply them, it's the same like these numbers, so the answer will be 6 and the answer here will be 4. So that means 6 times 6 is 36, okay? And we have here 36 over 6, that means 6 over 6 will be 36, 18, it will be 19, 20, 21. So the first number is correct. The second number, that it is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4, we know that 60 times 4, it will be 4 by 6, 24. 4 times 1, 4, plus 2, 6, 64. That means also 4 is correct. We will take 1 and we will take 1. It will be 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So the final answer for this question is 2. So also question 5 will put tick, that is done also. So that was the 5 questions for today and for this video. Inshallah next time I will prepare another questions to solve it together, okay? I hope that you benefit from those questions and how to solve some of them. Okay, thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Goodbye.